Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, we are in a very different setup than normal. I'm in my very messy room. Today, I want to move a ton of stuff around, take you guys with me as I try to reorganize things. Might repaint the walls, probably not in this video, but I'm like debating a bunch of different things. I figured I'll take you with me while I clean and just rearrange everything that's going on in here. Let's get right on into it. First and foremost, I figured let's go through everything that's going on. We have my tea station that has garbage all over it. We have my bed, which is made, but I have some crap on the ground. I went to the Dollar Tree. I have all that stuff. My bookshelves, my punching bag, stuff that can't be moved like this. And of course, we have my entire closet, which is also the boiler room, but it has all of my stuff in here. My desk, my clothes, my fridge, all that good stuff. I do have all my workout stuff behind this curtain. That is all on the ground and it can't be moved. So that's why I figured curtain stay shut. The stuff that's back there is staying back there. So we're just going to ignore it for now. So I have a few ideas that I want to work with. I have my bed, right? I could flip it the other way so it's going longwise. So imagine the bed is like this. Then I could fit one bookshelf here, put my end table next to my bed there, and have that set up. That opens up room for my other bookshelf to maybe go into the closet and to pull my desk out of the closet. Let me turn you guys for the visual and put my desk here up against this wall. So then we have like more of an open space. My desk is no longer shoved in the jail cell of my closet. And I don't know, that's kind of like the main reason I'm doing this in the first place. Tired of having my desk and all my recording stuff shoved inside of the closet just because it is like, it gets gross and hot and like frustrating in there. So the first thing that's getting done is this just has to get moved. I'm gonna pick up my Dollar Tree haul, which is like, you know, basics, my soap, a toothbrush, like that sort of stuff. Just putting it over here. Slippers, I'm gonna pick them up. I wanna wash them because they've been outside. Put them over here. I also have another gross slipper. I don't think you guys can even see it. It's back behind here. There was a giant like house centipede on the ground. I like smushed it to death and I don't want to move it. Actually, it was on like a flat like sticky bug trap, which I flipped and then smashed it. So I'm just gonna grossly pick this up. This is the bug trap. Okay, so that is taken care of there. How about we move this bed together and start there? I was trying to figure out any view that would be better, but I think we're just going to have to deal with the punching bag being in the way. So, I'm going to move my end table. Carefully. I have my alarm clock over here. All this stuff, I just want to move it like it'll be next to the head of my bed now. So I'm just going to throw this in the center of the room. Oh, I was nervous that I was going to drop that humidifier. And now we can just turn the bed. Like nothing else has to happen. It just has to be moved. So I'm going to grab it by these, the bottom. Pull. And then it's stuck on a rug. So it has to be lifted up and over this. Oh, and I have yarn down here too. I'm not even in the camera. Hey guys, let's see if this pops out. Other side. I'm stepping on something down here. There's like things that I've lost under this bed that have been missing forever. It was a cap. This is like the most fun part of redoing your room. Literally, what is this too? I started moving this and I realized I should probably use this time to vacuum back here. They're like blankets and yarn stuff. So that way it's all gross. Also, this happened. The peg that holds up the back of my bed just like popped out of place. So this will have to be re-put in. Look at how nice. And I'm gonna vacuum real quick. Figured you guys probably don't want to hear the vacuum sounds, but here she is. I'm gonna go back there, vacuum it all out, and move the bed, and then I'll be right back. Now the only other plan that I have that might be kind of cool, let me move my big head, is putting my desk here up against the wall. So it'll be like my monitor, I can connect one to the TV, have all of that stuff, and then have my bed turned to be like in front of it or right after it. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start moving things around in a second, show you each option so you can see what I'm thinking, unless I love the first one, and then I'll make a decision afterwards. So let's get like moving. I have made a small blunder. I forgot that this literally cannot be moved. So if I were to put my bed here, the punching bag would literally be resting like on it. Which isn't like terrible, but like I know for a fact I will end up punching this thing and kicking this thing in my sleep. Not like intentionally. I'm just gonna end up like hitting against it. But I'm gonna maybe try sliding it down. Okay, slightly new angle. I'm gonna try sliding the desk down here and going from there. Figured we can take a quick look in here at just the giant amount of stuff and how grossly dusty this all was. I just never gone back there, so I just didn't even realize it when my monitor's blocking it, but it's really gross. Oh my God. Getting this out of here is almost impossible. Let me show you the moves that we have going on right now. Here's our amazing desk. And I have to literally drag it out of here because of how heavy it is. Oh my goodness. The good news is that it's actually getting out of there and it isn't like stuck on the door. It was like skidding out. And while you can kind of see the angle, I think this would be able to fit in the spot where the bookshelves are if it came down to that. Here is the official first idea. Actually, I can move you guys so you can get like a full look. Desk is now up against the wall. I'm like out of breath moving all that. Bed is at the end of the desk. The point of doing it this way is that as I'm sitting at my computer, I have all the light from the garage doors. I have my little chair, my setup here, and then I'm looking out over the rest of my room. The upside to this is if I do it this way and I sit my monitor here, I can flip the monitor around and just watch it from my bed. And I have an extra monitor from the TV. So that's idea number one. I kind of like it. Now the dust in here is pretty bad and it's probably pretty echoey now. But we have a lot of space now in this room. So let me put you down here. The thing that I'm thinking is we can now pull my little tea station and my little end table, put them in here, maybe buy like a beanbag chair, something cute, hang some lights on the ceiling and kind of turn this into like a little library. So I'm probably not even going to bother moving the bookshelf stuff because I like where they're at. Turn this into a little sitting room. I'm going to start moving stuff again. Be back after it's moved. All right, so this is definitely not final placements for stuff, but for now I've just thrown these two tables in here. They're like in, ready to be moved around. However, I think I'm actually not even going to bother with other orientations. I'm pretty excited. I think this is what I want it to look like. And now this huge open space back here. And of course I have my like normal amount of open space. I'm like totally out of breath. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to organize everything the way that it's like supposed to be done. Then I'll film an outro and show you guys the finished product. But I think this is the layout that we're going to go with. If I look exhausted, it's because I am. It is currently like 8:30, 9 o'clock. I spent all day. So let me finally show you with the lights on and with the lights off what my room looks like. Start with the lights on. I've moved everything in here. My cable management is not great, but at least it's not terrible. That is the main room. And of course, left the bookshelves too. Here's the closet. Can't do anything about the boiler, but the rest of it's done. Let me show you with all the fancy lights on. All right, it's still a little bright outside, but when you put all the LEDs on, it looks something like this. Of course, we have my bookshelves too, but you guys have seen this setup a million times. I did actually end up switching to all of my books on this one shelf here, my crochet there, just tried to make it a little bit nicer. But with that being said, let me get into a spot where you can kind of see me. That's it for today. I will be back with like my regular normal content next week. Should be streaming a normal video on Friday. But now this is all done, I can get back to my daily life stuff. So again, my D&D book is out for free. It is on my website. Personal trading classes are up. Everything is up and ready to go as per usual. Thank you for giving me this week off of normal content, and I will see you guys next week. Goodbye.